The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round. So Munzee Monday. There's a Munzee. Yeah, that's right. There's a Munzee. What? It's a school bus at the Evergreen School District. Yeah. Evergreen School District bus. Munzee. I didn't have to take 2 steps on this Munzee Monday to find a Munzee and a bus. And complete the Munzee giveaway challenge for, what month is this? Oh, September. By finding the Munzee and the bus. That's it. I'm done. Hey, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And with that, I'm going to hop aboard the bus because the kindergartner taught me this. You know, I'm a teacher. And the kindergartner taught me this. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. I can get back to my car. Thanks for watching this episode of Munzee Monday. See ya. Subscribe. Like this video.